Hey there, subbies! I am here to share with you some wonderful ways that you can make money as a teenager. Before we get into this video, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And also check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming videos a lot of fun, super portable because it comes with an adorable carrying case, and super simple to also set up to get that perfect angle for those amazing vlogs and videos. As well as I love using the SanDisk SD cards that make transferring files from your camera or camcorder to your computer fast, fun, and simple. Check them both out in my description box down below. Even if you don't order those items, if you order anything using my Amazon affiliate links, I will make a commission off of the things that you purchase. So make sure you check them out. Let's get into this video. Some wonderful ways that you can make money as a teenager. You can do babysitting. Babysitting is a lot of fun, and you get to spend time around children, being able to learn how to care for other people, and being able to also learn how to keep a house neat and tidy there while you're babysitting. So you get to learn several skills in one, and above all, most importantly, experience and responsibility. Very important skills. The second way that you can earn money as a teenager is mowing the lawn. That is a wonderful thing for teenagers to learn how to do. Go around your neighborhood, provided you have your parents' permission, of course, and see if anybody would like their lawn mowed and agree on a price there that seems fair and that you'd be willing to do for the task of mowing someone's lawn. Another wonderful way that you can make money as a teenager is also by helping others through raking their leaves in the fall there, because that can be a lot of work, especially with all the leaves falling. You can make some wonderful money in the fall by raking up the leaves in people's yards and putting them in bags so then it can be all nice and tidy there in their yards. The fourth way that you can make money as a teenager is a yard sale. You can sell all of your items there that you no longer use, whether it's clothing, whether it's board games, whether it's video games, whether it's old game systems. You can make money off of these things super easy by having a yard sale, or by going to your local GameStop if you have a GameStop near you, and taking your old game systems and video games with you, as well as even your electronics, and seeing how much that GameStop is willing to pay you for these items that you're giving them. A wonderful tip, and makes it super easy that you can get a lot of things sold quickly if they're electronics at a GameStop. Make sure you check them out. My fifth tip for making money as a teenager is a part-time job. They have so many different opportunities for part-time jobs. You have Walmart, you have Target, you have Kohl's, you have Petco, you have PetSmart. They have a ton of amazing jobs for a lot of different interests. They even have stocking jobs at grocery stores and supermarkets as well, in addition to even doing some sales work as well there. You could be a checker there at the grocery stores to help people when it comes to ringing up their items or even bagging them. Makes it super easy to also give back to the community there by helping other people. And because it is a part-time job there, you don't have to be working a full 40-hour work week, but you can get some experience in the field. So then if you would like a full-time job in these positions, you have a taste of what the experience will be like from the different positions there that you've had and the experience that you've had working at these places. I really hope that these tips and tricks will help you out a lot in your search of making money as a teenager. These tips have been super helpful, and I really have been overjoyed to be able to share them with each and every one of you. Comment down below what your favorite way to make money as a teenager is, because I'd love to know. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. Check out my Amazon affiliate links down below in the description for my Amazon Basics tripod and for my SanDisk SD cards as well that make transferring files from your camera or camcorder to your computer fast, simple, and fun. Can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies!